Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the trend noise balance indicator. All right, so let us start by adding the indicator to the chart. Drag and drop. Okay, so feel free to modify the settings of the indicator according to your taste, depending on how sensitive you want the indicator to be, right? And of course, you can check out other settings like the alerts and all of that, right? So this is how the indicator looks like. Okay, the indicator is displayed in a separate indicator window. All right, it helps you to identify trend direction. Okay, now you will notice that the indicator, like I said, in a separate indicator window, it's in an oscillator format, right? And then you just have to watch out for the movement of the indicator line from bottom to top and back to bottom. So right from bottom to top and then back to the bottom and then back to the top and so on and so forth. So when you have the indicator line close to the zero level and it starts moving upward, it shows potential buy move, right? So it shows that there is buy momentum building up. When you notice the indicator line begins to go up from the zero level, it shows that the buy momentum is prevailing, right? You can see here how we had this buy move all the way up, to this point. Actually, it got to this point before we had a sell, right? So this was a buy signal and the price went all the way up to this point, and then you can see how the trend noise balance indicator dropped sharply, and it started falling down. So this was a sign to either sell or exit your buy position, because the overall trend was bullish, right? So ideally you should exit your buy position. Okay, I recommend buying in a bullish trend and selling in a bearish trend. Okay, do not sell in a bullish trend, okay, because the sell signal might just be a mere pullback. All right, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.